Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Robin. I do unboxings, beauty reviews. I'm going to do home decor, DIYs. Let's see what else, all kinds of things. We're gonna do all kinds of fun things on my videos. But today, the fun thing that we're gonna get into is GLOSSYBOX. I saw this on one of my favorite YouTuber channels and I just had to have it. There's a particular item in here I love so very much. So let's dive into this. I have already been into it. I apologize, didn't do it on camera. I actually kind of did. I tried to film this before, brand new. This is my very first video going up. And I'm being so hard on myself. So we're just gonna dive in. I apologize if I have to backtrack a little bit, but brand new again. So GLOSSYBOX. This is a subscription box. I'm sure y'all have seen it before. They offer 4 different subscription options to you. The first one is $21 a month if you'd like to do it that way. And you can just cancel anytime. There is a 3-month option for $58.50. You can pay that every 3 months. A 6-month option, every 6 months you can pay $111. Or every 12 months you can pay $210, which I think is the best option. I generally go with those options on my subscription boxes just because it saves you a little bit of money. You don't have to worry about it. It's all done, you know, until the next year when everything starts renewing. So let's dive into this beautiful box. I love the box in general. It's a good sturdy box. You can repurpose this. Look how cute it is on the inside also. I love it. It's super, super cute. We'll put that to the side. Another deal on the box is that there is over $60 worth of products in here. There's going to be deluxe sizes or full sizes. So I think we'll just go ahead and grab out our first item. Ooh, almost dropped the whole thing on the floor. Okay, so these are, how do you put it, like, there you go. These are hair masks, which they're super cute. If I could turn them the right way. They got some cute little sayings on them. Crybaby and bad attitude. I did use Crybaby yesterday on my hair. It smells so good. It's very fruity. It smells great. Unfortunately though, I need like 2 packets for this hair, y'all. Look at that. I have, so this is my hair, all natural hair. No extensions or anything in that hair. So yeah, I need 2 of these to really get through my hair, but I loved it. It smells great. Yes, still smells good. Let's see, and they have on the back here, repairs, strengthens, tames fizz, conditions, and adds shine, which I definitely need. My hair gets really frizzy because, believe it or not, I do have natural curly hair. Like the top part is kind of like a sort of a wave. Underneath here, my hairdresser always says that it is just like super curly, and my little one, the youngest 11-year-old, has that, and my 18-year-old, she has straight hair. It's so funny how that happens. But anyways, those retail for $2.99 each. They do say that they're free of parabens, sulfate, and like 6 different other things. It says it's free of junk. So you can look those up online if you're interested in seeing all the ingredients and what they have and don't have. But I know that people don't like the parabens and sulfate, so that's good. None in here. So let's put those off to the side there. GLOSSYBOX does also have credits if you do their little surveys. After you receive your box, you get an email, and I believe it was an email. Yeah, it was an email. It talks about the surveys, and you can go in and do those, and you earn credits towards, I guess, your next box or the products if you want to repurchase or whatever. This was the item that I saw in the box. Let's see if I can get it right. Oh my gosh, it looks like I've already used it a million times. It's called Stamp and Drag by CIAT E London, and this one retails for $19. I am, you know, a little bit older, and again, I'm not an MUA. I don't know if I've said that yet or not. I have said it in all the videos I have deleted because I didn't like how they turned out. But I am not an MUA by any means, so, you know, I'm learning all this stuff over the past year. I have not, however, perfected the wing liner, so I thought this was kind of a super cool deal. It's like you stamp it on. Oh, I almost knocked the box off again. Okay, so I'm going to stamp it so you can kind of see what it did. Where's my, okay, I'm looking for the mark on my monitor there. Yeah, so that's kind of cool. So, and I did do it on my makeup today. I hope. I hope I did it good. It looks kind of okay, I think. So I thought that was super cool, and it's a double one. So on this side, you've got the actual liner, and I like how it's, you know, it's thicker and it goes to the thinner, so you can kind of do like a thin line if you want, or if you want to press a little harder and get, where is it? There you go. And almost, where is it? Okay, gotta get used to that. Yeah, so anyways, you see the two, you know, how you can do it, you know, with just like a light pressure or a harder pressure. You get it thinner or thicker, however you like to do it. I love it. This retails for $19, if I have not said that, because I tend to get a little chatty. You will see that. But, okay, so the next item is going to be the mascara. It's Black Magic. And I love that it's in a squeezy tube, because sometimes, you know, like whenever you get your mascaras, it's like, you know, oh, I'm not sure if I'm getting it all out of there. It's a little bit harder, but I feel like you can kind of squeeze it and maybe get it all out. And I also am a fan of the wand. Not everybody is a fan, I think, of the curvy wand like that, but I am. I love it. I did already put this on my lower lashes in the previous video that I tried to film that I did not like, and I deleted it. So it is already on me. Again, I love this. I will say this mascara, though, is very hard to get off. And I started reading on the previous video that I deleted. On here it says, designed for after hours seduction, our unique brush creates drama, volume, and curl, combined with an extreme carbon black. It is water resistant, and I knew that. That's why it was so hard to get off. So you guys just know that if you want to wear this all night, hard to get off, you need to make sure you get a waterproof or one of those dissolvable makeup removers. All right, the next thing I have is these cute little tweezers. I'll put them up here. I love the color of them. It matches the box, and in reading it did say that it was GLOSSYBOX's favorite color, obviously, because it's the color of the box. We all know what tweezers are for. I use them to put my eyelashes on today, and you tweeze out all, you know, your eyebrows, your funky hairs that you may have on your face, all that fun stuff. They retail for $6. And the last product we have in here is by Sleek. And, oh look, you can see me in my monitor. That's what I'm trying to get all the products in so it shows up really well. It does get a lot of fingerprints on there though. That's the only bummer, but it's okay. If that bothers you, I'm sorry. It does kind of bother me a little bit. I feel like I have to clean it all the time, but that's okay. But let's see these beautiful, beautiful colors. Oh, let me get my hand out of the way here. Oh, there we go. That's a good shot. That's pretty. And it has a nice size mirror in there. Hey. Okay. Cool. And I did try this on earlier. I don't know. Should we put a little more on? Maybe. Why not? Let's see it so you can see. There we go. Can't put it in too many places. I don't want to enhance or, you know, brighten my wrinkles up or anything. But I thought this was super, super pretty. I like it. And that one retails for $15. Let's see. This, I like when the boxes give these things too, because it tells you all about, well, I'll just tell you all about it, but it gives you a brief description of the product. And this one also, they give you tips for everything. I'm just not super great at reading on camera yet, so I'm just gonna kind of skip all that and let y'all read through here. But anyways, if you like it, please let me know down in the comments. Comment, subscribe, tell all your friends to subscribe. Help me out with my channel, grow, grow, grow. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah. Mwah.